Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to deal with an older car that has some headlight lenses that are fogged up and are using the old stock bulb that is basically like an old flashlight, and change it into a new lens that's nice and clear with a bright LED light. So you know, when you're driving down the street at nighttime you can actually see again. So my friends at Auxito hooked me up with their newest release. It's a LED light. The 2023 upgraded one is a lot brighter than their previous models. They've also hooked me up with a promo code. If you go to their website, which I'll link, and type in Guillermo Auto at the checkout, you'll get 15% off your purchase. It's a great deal. They've been the big homie for my channel for a while. I'm going to show you their product here, and then I'm going to get into the video. So this is the Auxito product. When they send it to you, it comes with a manual. Here's the lights. They come nicely packaged. Here's the manual. Now this manual is actually kind of cool because it has answers and questions and warranty information. And it also shows you how to install your light bulb on your car. It has different instructions for different models. Some headlights are a little complicated to put in, so that's good. It comes with that. Here's what they look like. There's no extra wiring you got to do. They just plug and play. They're great headlights, and very light. They last very long. And so let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright guys, got the 2006 Hyundai Tiburon here. Headlight lens is fogged up. Got some stock bulb in there that's like yellowy. That's not cool. It's 2023. We gotta bring it up to speed. First I'm gonna use a product to clean these lenses up, and then I'm gonna put the new Auxito LED bulb in there, the 2023 version. It's brighter. Here's my Easy One product I use to clean headlamps. This is my favorite product, but there's hundreds of products out there. Alright, okay, lenses came out looking good. Here's the driver's side. Lens came out looking good. Alright, cool. Now we're ready to put the LED lights in. Here's the Auxitos. Now with this car, these panels got to come off. Thankfully, these are, someone already took all the clips out, I guess, so I'm just going to remove these panels. But if you have a Hyundai like this, you're going to have to remove some little clips to get these panels off to get to the headlights. Now this headlight is kind of it's a little trickier than your average headlight. You have to twist this cap, this weather cap, to get this off. You just twist it towards the inside of the engine, take it off, no problem. And then it has this little paper clip thing. Now you're gonna push on this loop side right here. Oh, let's take the connector off. Just kind of wiggle and pull the connector off first. There you go. Try not to yank these headlight housings are sensitive. Then we're gonna push this paper clip down, and then downwards and out. Now sometimes they fall off. It's not a big deal if it falls off, just don't lose it. And then you can remove your headlight here. This is just kind of like a regular looking headlight. Here's our new Auxito headlights. They're a perfect match as far as like mounting goes in the base, but obviously it's brighter, way brighter. This is how it's supposed to look like, the paper clip. If it falls off, just put it in like this. Sometimes it can be tricky. Be patient. After you get that back in, we'll go ahead and put our connector back on like that, and then we'll put our weather cap back on. Now, like I showed you in that manual earlier, it'll have instructions on how to do this, which is nice. The manual that came with the headlight bulbs is actually pretty informative. So not every company has a manual in there to help you do your lights. Put that weather cap back on. Now our lights are in. Here's our old one. That's the old yellow one, and then here's our new white Auxito LED beam, much brighter. Here's what it looks like in the dark. I know it's kind of raining, dude. It rained like all week when I was filming. I just rolled with it. Alright, but as you can see, the beam's way brighter. These are it's white like daylight instead of like a yellowy amber color. Much better. If you have an older car, I definitely recommend getting them in. Auxito, they have they have lights for every car you could think of. So we'll check out the website. But yeah, here's what it looks like driving down the street, and that's it. Alright guys, well I hope you like this video. Again, check out Auxito. They sponsor the video here, and they got great products. They got other products too besides headlights. And make sure you hit that Guillermo Auto promo code on the checkout, and then you get 15% off. It helps them out, it helps me out, and you know, everybody wins. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.